Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Doge is currently hovering around that breakout point here. So there's this trend line here that we talked about. We have 3 to 4 touch points, and obviously here it's currently the price is currently fighting with that trend line, and the bulls are currently trying to generate a first 5-wave move to the upside. At the moment I can only identify 3 waves up from the low that was formed around the 1st of May. So yeah, you don't have a valid reversal signal yet until it's a 5-wave move. I think there is a good chance that Doge has bottomed actually, and I would really like it to have bottomed. And the reaction to the support area is quite interesting. I'm still though skeptical until I get a 5-wave move up, and even then we need that famous first 3-wave pullback, you know, to basically confirm that the low has formed. And it's that 1-2 setup that we always need to see for confirmation. That 1-2 setup can only basically form once we get a first 5-wave move up. So we need those 5 waves to get a reliable first confirmation that, yep, on the 1st of May we've bottomed. And then after that we can talk about the 3-wave pullback, because whenever we get 5 waves, typically this move will get or should get corrected. Well, it will get corrected. The question is, do we get the correction straight away or not? And best to understand it as a range here that we're tracking. So we've got this support area, and that hasn't changed in, I think, nearly a couple of months. Okay, so we've been tracking this support range, which is defined between 14 cents and 11 cents already, 1.5 months or so. It hasn't changed. It's quite stable. That's these are the stable parameters on the chart. I would encourage people to check for the stable parameters on the chart. What is stable? What is reliable? The micro counts are currently not reliable, of course. They never are usually, especially in a correction. But the support area is reliable, and it can be seen as the support zone of a range. Okay, so just consider the previous breakout points here as top of the range. This is the bottom of the range, and then you can just scale in, scale out, scale in, scale out. Nothing, you know, a grid bot would do the same thing. And it's all about understanding that altcoin counts can fail regularly, but we've had a phenomenal reaction to the support area here in March, then again in April, in May, okay? And maybe this is the breakout point. I mean, essentially that 11 cent level we talked about, that is the 61.8 retracement, and we don't want the current wave 4 go below that level. And yeah, ideally, as I always say, not even below the 50% fib level here at 12.4 cents. So we are holding that at the moment, and it's really important that the market holds above 11 cents. But ideally we don't even break below the Thursday or Wednesday low. It was the Wednesday low, because that will indicate weakness. So for now I'm focusing on higher, but the market needs to prove it. So it's not like I cannot confirm yet that we've bottomed, okay? And it really hinges now on the development of a potential 5-wave move up. Now, deep dive into the Doge Microstructure here. I can track a potential 3-wave move up from the low. I can track a 3-wave move up only, not 5 waves. Yeah, so I consider this a diagonal pattern. This here looks like a 4th wave at the moment, and I need one more high. Need one more high for a reliable 5-wave pattern. This here all to me, this also looks like a 3-wave move up to me. Okay, which means that we have wave 1 as 3 waves. Let's go to the, oh no, I didn't want to do that. Where are we? So yeah, having that wave 1 as potential 3-wave move. There's a small ABC there. Wave 2, wave 3. Even if we count that as an impulse, it hasn't given us a 4-5 yet. Okay, so what we're dealing with here is possibly an A wave down, which bottomed on Sunday. A B wave rally here, it hasn't even made a new high, so I can't call that wave 5, this top on, well, today's top, but we might now be in this wave 4. And if we consider the structure, we have an A wave down, B wave top, C wave down, could form a flat correction. That flat correction ideally could see a reaction at 15.4 cents. That's the 100% extension of the A wave, very common target for wave C. Below that, we've got 15 cents, 14.5 cents. Below that level, it will already get questionable, okay? The upside scenario, below 14 cents, I think it will confirm a 3-wave top. So we've literally only entered this support region, and now I'm watching here for potential reactions starting at 15.4 cents. If it goes lower, no problem, but below 14 cents, this wave 4 gets too protracted to be a wave 4. And then for me, it's a confirmed 3-wave top, which will not give us a reliable reversal signal at this stage. That's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.